Hello people, welcome back to our Excel series on Office Craft Pro. You have mastered the basics, you have conquered Pro mode, but today we are going God mode. What if I told you that you never have to memorize a complex formula ever again? What if you could just ask your computer to analyze your data for you? Today, I'm showing you the Excel secrets that pros use to do a week's worth of work in 60 seconds. If you are ready for the future, hit that like button. Let's go! To work in God mode, I want you to snap your Excel window to the left and your AI browser to the right. We are going to be talking to Excel through the AI. AI is only as smart as the info you give it. When we ask for help, we must tell the AI our column letters and our goal. Let's try our first miracle. Imagine your boss gives you a complicated rule. If sales are over Rs 10,000, they get a gold bonus. Between 5,000 and 10,000, they get silver. Below 5,000, they get none. Don't try to write this yourself. Go to your AI, type I am in Excel. Column A has the sales numbers starting at A2. Write a formula for B2 that says gold if A2 is greater than 10,000. Silver if A2 is between 5,000 and 10,000. And none if it is lower. Watch the AI work. It will give you the exact code. Click on copy. Go back to Excel. Click cell B2 and then paste, and finally hit enter. Zero mistakes, zero gray hairs. That's God mode. Dirty data is an Excel user's nightmare. Look at these names: wrong caps, extra spaces, total chaos. Highlight that messy list and copy it. Go to the AI, type clean this list for Excel. Use proper case for the names and remove all extra spaces. Return it as a simple list. Then paste the messy text underneath. Copy the perfect result from the AI. Back in the Excel, highlight the old messy cells and paste. Your data is now perfect. Now for the ultimate trick. We have a sales log with hundreds of rows. Instead of building a pivot table, let's just ask for a report. Select your entire table and copy it. Go to the AI and type Analyze this sales data. Tell me which region made the most money, which product is our best seller, and give me 3 ideas to increase sales next month. Paste the whole table. Copy that summary and paste it directly into an email to your boss. You just did an hour of analysis in 10 seconds. Hey people, we have come a long way. We started with a simple Google form. We moved to Excel basics, mastered XLOOKUPs, and now we have integrated AI. You aren't just a spreadsheet user anymore. You know how to collect data, organize it, and analyze it using the most powerful tools. Thank you for joining me on this journey. If this series helped you feel more confident at work, please hit that subscribe button and share this playlist with your friends. This is Office Craft Pro, and I'll see you in the next one.